Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
What's your name?
Officer Ross. Now, I've told you multiple times to identify yourself because you're on a traffic stop.
That's not a law.
Failure to do so, this is my third time. You need to ID yourself.
And that's not a law.
Okay.
Hey, have a seat back in the car. Have a seat back in the car.
For what?
You just been pulled over.
For what?
You disregarded the stop sign over there. You're driving extremely fast in a parking lot.
Don't come up here and
All right,
lie.
have a seat back in the car.
I'm not playing with the line stuff.
Have a seat. You stopped
man.
after the line,
You're too early
and you're
for
driving way too fast.
Fast or what? I just stopped at the stop sign.
Have a seat back in the car.
I'm not coming out. I'm in the car.
All right. Let me see your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance for
can't
disregarding
follow
a
me.
stop
No,
sign.
No.
Yes.
You cannot follow me.
You have
from
two
the
options.
store.
You give me your driver's license, you go to jail.
You cannot follow me from the store and then come quiet here to try to tell me you want my license for what? What I did?
Okay, last chance. You go to jail.
What I did?
Disregarded a stop sign.
Come on, man. Stop making up no lies, man.
No, I'm not making it up. You stopped after the line.
I mean, stop after the line. What? Come on, man.
The line at the stop sign.
It's too early for that. Look at the time.
Okay, last opportunity.
You have no reason to pull me over.
License, registration, insurance.
You have no reason to pull me over.
Okay.
Listen, so like you said, this is your final opportunity. We stopped you for a lawful reason, whether you believe it or not. That's beyond the question.
You did not.
We stopped you for a lawful reason,
did not.
and right now we're requesting that you identify yourself.
You did not stop me.
If
for
you
no
refuse
lawful
to
reason.
identify yourself, you will be placed in handcuffs.
You can't follow me and say
So
you stopped
are
me
you gonna?
Man, I passed you
All
right
right,
at the store.
Are you gonna hand us your
turn around
license?
and follow me for what
Are
reason?
you going to hand
Okay,
it?
so what reason you follow me for?
All right.
See, you can't answer me that.
Don't ground.
What are you making me for, man? I ain't doing that. I ain't doing that, man.
Both traffic stops were constitutionally valid under Whren versus United States. A observed violation is sufficient probable cause. Full stop. Under Pennsylvania versus Mims, officers may order any driver to exit and identify themselves during a lawful stop. No exceptions. Hiibel versus 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada confirms refusal to identify during a lawful stop is criminal obstruction.
My baby in the car, man.
Just handcuff him.
Yep. I will do nothing wrong. Okay. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. So you like to beat people? Okay. I got my firearm on my
Let's go grab your son.
Can I get this girl my keys? Yeah, I got my firearm here. I give her my keys. She's in that vehicle right there. That's my medicine. I got my stuff on this side.
Bro, turn around and face the car.
I'm just telling you what.
You don't need to tell me anything. Give us a second.
What was that? Got our signature.
Oh, you said he has one.
There's no reason to put me on. No consent to no search and seizures. I'm under arrest.
Yes, you are under arrest.
Huh? What am I under arrest for?
Obstruction.
Obstruction of what?
Failure to identify.
How you can do that on something like that? Go ahead.
Do you have anything on you? Anything illegal?
No question.
Go ahead and take your sandals off. Lift your left leg.
So it's just a quick one, not once again.
Three cents.
I need that though.
3 cents.
I need that.
Yeah, you're gonna get it.
And this one too on the floor.
Yeah, you're gonna go in here first.
You tell me I'm gonna get it, but you leave it out there.
Yeah, you're not gonna grab it. We're gonna grab it.
Oh, okay.
You gotta open this way. Left foot.
Hi, how you doing? I'm Officer Ross with the Atlanta Police Department. Do you have a license on you, boss? So 1, your tag is expired, and 2, that you don't have tail lights on your tag.
You do know the law, right?
Yes, that's why I stopped you.
It's called Corpus Delicti. There must be an injured party for a crime to be committed. You carry a bond for that reason.
So I stopped you on a traffic stop, sir. I'm not going to ask you again to identify yourself, okay? Do you have a license?
If you would, please call your supervisor.
Foxtrot 35, can I get a 45 and a supervisor? Sir, I'm going to ask you one more time to identify yourself. At this point, I told you the 2 reasons that I stopped you today, okay? You don't have any lights on your plate, and then it's expired. I'm now asking you to identify yourself. Now you're refusing twice. Are you refusing to identify yourself? If you refuse to identify yourself, you're going to jail for resisting. Okay? Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
What's your name?
Officer Ross. Now I've told you multiple times to identify yourself because you're on a traffic stop.
That's not a law.
Failure to do so, this is my 3rd time. You need to ID yourself.
And that's not a law.
Okay.
And you carry a bond for that reason. Each violation costs you $250,000. So now, I'll gladly get out and go with you, but best believe I'm going after that bond.
Okay. So you're not going to give me any sort of identification, nothing?
There's no crime committed.
Okay.
So
you don't want to identify yourself?
I'm waiting on your supervisor.
Okay.
Take the driver's license, please. You want to roll down the window or something? Okay.
You the supervisor?
No, they're on the way.
Okay. And what's your name and badge number?
38895, Officer Lawrence.
Can you do me a favor and turn the car off for us? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can do that.
Thank you, sir.
And you said your name and badge number was what?
Officer Ross 38467.
All right, thank you. As I told her, no crime has been committed. The crime is called Corpus Delicti. If there's no injured party, no crime has been committed. You can't attach a fee. You can't use license, registration, insurance, any of that. That's called res judicata. Anything passed down from the Supreme
You have the
Court
supervisor to
stands
your
for
right.
all 50 states.
How you doing, man?
In case 2, the expired tag and inoperative plate lights violated, Georgia Code Sections 4028 and 40823, both strict liability offenses. Corpus Delicti is an evidentiary doctrine requiring proof a crime occurred. It does not require a physical victim for a traffic violation to exist. Every federal circuit court that has addressed this argument has rejected it. There are no exceptions in U.S. case law. The bond threats carry no enforceable legal weight. Section 1983 provides civil relief for actual constitutional violations, not lawful traffic enforcement. 3 months of Florida residency without a license violated Florida Statute 322.06, which mandates compliance within 30 days.
Yes, sir. Supervisor?
Yep, what's up?
And what's your name and badge number?
Corporal Aaron Wilkins, 38339.
So I asked them
Yep.
if they know the law, because of course the law states ignorance of the law is no excuse.
Okay, so what's your question?
So I asked her why she stopped.
Yep.
She said tag.
Okay.
Right? That's not a crime. The crime is corpus delicti.
Okay.
No injured party, no crime has been committed.
Okay, so instead of 40 can have expired tags.
Sorry?
Is it expired tag? Okay. So you have 2 violations of Florida state statute and your vehicle's in Florida. So those are 2 violations. You can stand here, argue with me. Here's the deal. You're going to step out of the car and you're going to identify yourself. And if you refuse those 2 things, you're going to go to jail. You got it?
Okay, so now,
Okay. They're giving you a lawful order to get out of the vehicle. And if you refuse to get out of the vehicle, you're going to go to jail.
Listen, understand
Okay.
now, if we're going to do that, then I'm going after everybody's bond, okay?
That's fine. Go ahead.
Open up the vehicle.
sorry?
Open up the vehicle.
You said what?
Open up the vehicle.
Okay.
You can open it because your door is not working. Let me get get your hand.
All right. You want to take the phone too?
Yep. Go to the back.
Okay.
Did you move to Florida?
I'm sorry?
Are you moving to Florida, or are you just visiting?
I moved
How long you been in Florida?
3 months.
Do you have a Florida license, or no? No. Do you work in Florida?
We'll see about that now, won't we?
Well, this doesn't mean you're going to jail. All right?
All right.
We just got to conduct our investigation. You're refusing to identify yourself, so we'll go through that.
I haven't committed a crime.
Okay.
Okay, put your right here.
Okay.
Is this car registered to you?
No.
No. Okay.
Turn around for me. You got anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me? No. So important. Wind might blow that away. You want to grab a little bag?
I got you. I got you.
Put it in the bag, George. This your only pair of pants? Just underwear underneath? Say it, man. Swift. Little toy. Like that? Oh, okay. Nothing else on here, right? Put you in the car. Oops, sorry, man. If you want to come out and turn your butt the other way, it might work a little better. There you go. And just scoot back that way.
Officer Ross receives an A-. Clear violation disclosure, patient de-escalation, and disciplined refusal to engage pseudolegal arguments on their own terms. Supervisor Wilkins receives a B+, resolved the standoff efficiently, but cited Florida statutory authority in what appears to be a Georgia stop. Both subjects receive a D. They entered with pseudolegal frameworks and exited with criminal charges that a license would have prevented entirely. Case 1, officers receive a B+, 2 lawful bases for the stop, proportional force, and multiple warnings before arrest was initiated. Lesson 1. A motion to suppress is the legal remedy for an unlawful stop. Roadside refusal is not a defense, it is an additional charge. Lesson 2. Sovereign citizen theory has achieved 0 courtroom victories against traffic enforcement. Latin terminology is not a substitute for actual law. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments.